What do you really want out of life? Everybody is talking about, making a success in life, getting on in life, and then you are surrounded by so much of competition where the process is more of rejection than selection. And people are making it big, making you feel small, making you feel it's such a long and hard journey. How am I going to make my place in life? People are better looking, people are more successful, they're more aggressive, isn't it? How does life seem to you? Easy or hard? How does it seem to you? Well, it is. Huh?
It's difficult and tough.
Yeah, so these are the things that happen ingrained into us. Now, if you just look at a little child, a 2-year-old or a 3-year-old, does he feel any sense of difficulty in getting what he wants? If he wants something, he just goes after it. If he falls down, he cries. He asks for what he wants. He plays by himself, he's happy by himself, and he's just himself. When we come into this world, we come so pure, so perfect. And then gradually, that there's so much of conditioning. We are told how we are to be. Don't do this, don't do that. ऐसे नहीं करते, अच्छे बच्चे ये नहीं करते. And very soon you begin to feel like a गंदा बच्चा, isn't it? And there are comparisons कि देख भैया कितना अच्छा है, दीदी कितनी अच्छी है, वो सुंदर है, वो ऐसा है, ये है, या आंटी का बेटा देखो या बेटी देखो. Constant comparisons, constant conditionings, and here for you, you feel you can do just about anything, and gradually you are restricted. And instead of coming from the heart, you start building up an identity, you start coming from your mind, and gradually the mind takes over. Is that true or it isn't? And then you listen to the mind. And where does the mind come from? If you ever sit down and think, people say ki be rational, be logical, analyze something, be careful, be this, be that, whatever. But what is the mind? Mind is a mind of information. It's a mind of knowledge also. And a mind can be a very good friend, provided it is kept that way. But if you let your mind go, then it becomes a terrible, terrible master. Are you aware of it or no? How many of you stopped listening to your heart a long time ago? You listen to your heart or you listen to your mind? Mind. And where does the mind come from? The mind comes from fear. The mind exercises control over you by fear. Okay, if you do this, what will happen? Things may go wrong, people may laugh at you, people may ridicule you, you may fail, this may happen, that may happen. Nothing has happened actually, but it stops you in your tracks. Because the moment you sit down to analyze things on the basis of the information that you have collected, okay, and what other people around you are saying and doing. So what happens is, the moment your heart says, let me do this, like she was saying कि भाई आप किसी को बोलो कि आप बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हो. What stops you in your tracks? It's your mind. What if this person makes fun of me? What if this person says, what business is it of yours how I look? And who do you think you are? And I'll be left feeling so small and miserable and this and that. ठीक है सुंदर, बहुत अच्छी है, 10 लोग और हैं उसको कहने वाले, मैं क्यों बोलूं? मेरे को किसने बोला है? मेरे को कोई बोलता है? मैं इतने अच्छे से आज तैयार हुई, ये वो this that. Even mama said this dress is not looking nice on you. So immediately, all that bubbles up from the heart, and the mind pushes you back. So also when you have dreams, when your passion comes up, and you really feel driven to do something, like she was sharing, you see that parents say it's not logical. I mean, you be like, अब तो थोड़ा सा तो बढ़ गया है vision, otherwise it was a doctor or an engineer or a this or a that, and that's it. And as long as you were in the safe slot, okay fine, you're a success. वो क्या कर रहा है जी? वो जी musician बन गया है, वो बस वो एक गाना बजाना करता रहता है. That person may be brilliant in his work. He may be bringing joy to millions of people. He may be earning so well. But people have their own standards of judging, isn't it? And now you see the selection